How to save Instagram photos and videos in your mobile. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can save Instagram photos and videos in your mobile gallery. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So to save Instagram photos and videos into your mobile gallery, first of all you have to open your Instagram and you have to click on your profile picture on the bottom right corner. After that, you have to click on three horizontal lines on top right corner and here just scroll down. And here you will see archiving and downloading option. Click on it, and here the setting that you have to enable. You have to enable this option, save original photos and save story to gallery. When these options are enabled, then your photos and videos would be automatically downloaded or saved into your mobile gallery. For example, if I want to add a story in my mobile in my Instagram, and this photo automatically would be saved into my mobile. So guys, after enabling these options, your all photos and videos would be automatically saved into your mobile gallery. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.